This Money Bad Matt, and today I'm gonna be unboxing and showing y'all my new Legos Crocs. Yes, Legos Crocs. Let's get right into it. Got the big box, as you see. Legos. So we're gonna unbox it. Da 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 da. Booyah! Got everything here. Legos Crocs. Right here. Do you see it? Cross on the side. Legos. Like the bricks. Got, this is unopened. It will not be open. This is the figurine that comes with the Crocs. And then I'm blessed. I'm really blessed. Because I got these when they first came out on StockX. If y'all want this, go on StockX. They are not on Crocs anymore. And they are not on Legos anymore at all. But as you can see, this serial number 1. So I have the first ones that went off the production line. I want to stress that again. I have the first ones that came off the production line. We're gonna keep that right there. And I'm gonna show y'all again. StockX. Go to them for whatever you want, as far as Pokemon cards, sneakers, shoes. Sneakers, shoes, the same thing. Collector's items, hoodies, hats, whatever. But they got everything. You just gotta come with that paper. You gotta come with that big paper. But I want to stress again. Legos Crocs. I got it. So for y'all to understand, and I'll make a video probably in the near future of my big Crocs collection. Probably one of the biggest Crocs collector, in the game. And this signifies that I'm one of the biggest collectors in the game. I had the very first ever off the production line Legos Crocs that came off with, and it's very important, with the man, the action figurine. And no, we will not be opening, but it comes with all of that. So if you want to get this, it's on StockX. I believe you can probably find it on Facebook Marketplace if someone's selling it. But other than that, you cannot find it. I purchased this the hour that it got released. And I stress this again, you had to come with that bag. If you don't come with that bag, you ain't gonna get it. I'm so sorry. But anyway, if you like this, if you like the Legos Crocs, like, share, comment, subscribe, and into another one.